Starting a small business can be an exciting venture. Here are 10 business ideas across various industries to inspire you. 1. Online retail store. Create an e-commerce website or use platforms like Etsy or eBay to sell niche products or handmade goods. 2. Freelance services. Offer your skills as a freelancer, whether it's in web design, graphic design, writing, social media management, or programming. 3. Food truck or catering service. If you're passionate about cooking, consider starting a food truck or catering business. Specialize in a unique cuisine or dietary need. 4. Fitness coaching. Become a personal trainer or offer fitness classes, either in person or online. The fitness industry continues to grow. 5. Home cleaning services. Start a residential or commercial cleaning service. You can focus on eco-friendly cleaning methods to stand out. 6. Digital marketing agency. Offer digital marketing services like SEO, social media management, and content marketing to businesses looking to boost their online presence. 7. Pet care services. Pet sitting, dog walking, and pet grooming are in-demand services for animal lovers. 8. Consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, such as business, finance, marketing, or HR, consider offering consulting services. 9. Handyman, home repair. If you're skilled in home repairs, offer your services as a handyman. You could specialize in certain areas like plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry. 10. Event planning. Help individuals and businesses plan weddings, parties, conferences, or other events. Your attention to detail and organizational skills can be valuable. Remember that the success of your small business often depends on your passion, skills, and dedication. Additionally, conducting market research, creating a solid business plan, and understanding your target audience are crucial steps in starting a successful venture.